In the cool shadows of the mountain mist and mist grows a spice of singular elegance. Grows a spice grows a spice one by one at the perfect hour. Grows a spice known as green gold. 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 Grows a spice seals the color known as green gold and traps the oil. Grows a spice seals the color known as green gold. A protective capsule, light as paper. Inside the green shell lies a resinous dark vault, gleaming with an aromatic dew. 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 Dark vault. A staple of hospitality across deserts and seas.
These bold green lots show perfect color consistency. Precise millimeter sizing is key for premium export.
The queen remains. The queen remains on her mountain throne.
Before the history of the world was written, the earth hid its greatest treasures in the dark. The orchard by the relentless breath of the monsoon. The orchard by the relentless breath comes a root of sharp, biting heat. The orchard by the relentless breath comes a root of sharp, biting. The orchard by the relentless breath. Packed with a fierce, aromatic oil. Gathered by touch in the driving rain. Gathered by touch. Gathered by touch. Gather the ginger root ever meets the flame. As the climate shifts to a dry, biting heat, the forest yields a geometry of scent. A rigid vault holding an anise seed flame. Turned beneath the eye of the midday sun, the heat coaxes the oils upward. An ancient sorting, separating perfection from debris. Only the unbroken star anise seeds cross the sea. Gathered before the evening dampness returns. Sent down the currents that feed the global ports. Reawakened by the slow warmth of water. Reawakened by the slow warmth of water. Infusing the broth with a woody depth. A global staple. Born on a mountain tree.
a silent traveler.
Brought into the daily ritual of the home.
The wood surrenders its perfume. Leaving the canopy silent. Leaving the canopy silent.
In a drier earth, another treasure is threshed. Harvested from the parched earth, the humble cumin, withered and brittle. The humble cumin, withered and brittle. Now,
the air carries away the worthless chaff. While the heavy seed returns to the hand. While the heavy seed returns to the hand.
a tiny capsule of smoke and oil. A patient repetition, older than the trade itself. The pure yield, earned from the wind. Packed for the long caravans and ocean routes. Destined for the initial touch of flame. Woken instantly by the dry heat. Woken instantly by the dry heat. Pounded until the earthy smoke fills the air. The ultimate release of the desert's fire. A cycle complete. A seed remembered.